Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa with the sub for that is our green white green country. So we be Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come back with breaking news. We don't come back with updates. We don't come back with legit information we go like share with the general public. And the cocoa now we say the suspended governor of Rivers State, Sir Fubara, last he don't address the ongoing political rift between himself and the minister of FCT, that na Wike. You know, say this political rift, so this political beef between these two mature men, it don't go on for months now, and the thing can't even take a new turn. It can't take a new shape when our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu step in to manage the crisis by suspending the governor plus his deputy and all the members of the Rivers State House of Assembly in a bid to calm down the tensions. And in recent developments, Governor Fubara is said to have initiated peace talks with the FCT minister. These discussions now are part of a bigger reconciliation effort really aimed at restoring stability to the versatile political climate for Rivers State. Now, despite all these efforts, so a recently surfaced video clip they show Sir Fubara illustrating the sensitive nature of the conflict using a vivid metaphor. In now for inside the video, they describe the power struggle between himself and Oga Wike as two dogs where they fight over a bone, only for a third dog to just appear unexpectedly and snatch the bone where the two dogs they drag for. According to how the talk take come aside from him mouth, according to how they put the metaphor, he said two dogs were dragging a bone, and while they were dragging, another dog just came from nowhere and snatched the bone. Now, make it no bad as if in they call anybody dog, make it no bad as if in the disrespect or in the insult a elder. In account they explain the metaphor, in account they make it very much clear. Say the metaphor refers to the ongoing tussle, the ongoing quarter between himself and the former governor of the state. Mamekon later become the minister of the Federal Capital Territory, and that's now Oga Wike. And the reason why there be the beef, the reason why there's a political rift between the both of them, the reason why Kwata come board for inside their relationship, as you can say, they drag who get influence pass for inside Rivers State. They drag who supposed get influence, who supposed get power pass for inside Rivers State, the oil-rich state, the treasure base of the nation. Sir Fubara now constantly explain. Say if this political crisis continue, if this political beef, this rift, if the thing continue to plaster, the thing get the potential, get the capability, get the ability to create an opportunity for an outsider to step in and take over wetin the both men they drag for, wetin the two of them they contest. A stranger go just come carry am. So that now why in use the metaphor, and that now why in they try reconcile, make peace for return back to Rivers State. Make them no fight at all again. Make men no come carry the bone where they fight for comot. And also, my good people, the suspended governor of Rivers State, to be Sir Fubara, he don also rubbish the criticisms where they ground, say him now no be politician. And he now the question, say wetin be the entry requirement of wanting to be a politician sef? Wetin be the things and things where they involve for somebody to be a politician? As men now they yarn say he no be politician. And the suspended governor now they yarn all this level. In they make this one known to the general public, while in they drop hints, while in they give men expo about a possible restoration of peace with his predecessor and the minister of the Federal Capital Territory, maybe Wike. And no be lie, my good people. Before now, the relationship between Sir Fubara and Oga Wike been thick, no be small. Political godfather and son, na them be to each other. Report even the ground self said now Oga Wike na carry Sir Fubara for back for him to be governor of Rivers State. Now aeroplane can jam their friendship. Almost immediately, Governor Fubara was returned as the governor of Rivers State. And these men, their political beef so can last affect the organs of governance for inside Rivers State, including the State House of Assembly, which is the legislative arm of the Rivers State government. Before our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu can last declare a state of emergency, and he can even suspend the men for 6 months due to a full security situation. But last Fubara wey chop suspension now don dey make move. He don dey seek reconciliation. He now don meet with our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu wey plaster the state of emergency, and he don also meet with Oga Wike, man wey get beef with. And as he dey address a group of his supporters for inside one viral video online, him na wey be the suspended governor Fubara come dey yarn say e no get any reason why peace no go dey between himself and his oga, and he dey refer to Oga Wike. Now Fubara dey yarn say despite the talks about him not being a politician, the respect wey he don earn, the respect wey he don get, e dey more important to him than the one being forced. According to how the talk dey come outside from him mouth, he said there is no reason why there won't be peace between him and his oga. We want peace so that Rivers State will move forward. And he want to plead with everybody. Men dey talk say he no be politician, but he never still know wetin be the entry requirement for wanting to be a politician. But he know very well say wetin dey most important for him life right now na respect wey he don earn, and not the respect wey men dey force on him. Him now wey be Fubara want to make sure say he earn the respect of the general public, not by bossing them around, not by giving them order, but by serving them. Make them feel free to tell am anytime we make mistake. He need the support of everybody, and country people also need the support of others. So he want to assure the general public say no dey go anywhere at all. He dey with them, and he dey with them completely. And now my good people, sake of this viral video, so many country people don dey react negative, positive, and even neutral. Some dey yarn say they no go even understand the man again, they no understand Fubara, but wetin dem know be say Fubara na a weak governor. The man no strong at all. The man no fit stand for his right. Why some dey question the kind agreement now we don go sign, the kind arrangement we don go get between our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Oga Wike in the name of peace. And before now, stakeholders for inside Rivers State we don sama warning give the suspended governor. Say make e no try am say im sell Rivers State in the name of this reconciliation wey dey push, so make e no try am say last im go come go put Rivers State in more jeopardy. This my good people na the information I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if e be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside we nation Nigeria. Now if you be say you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come your side, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. Now be they go get more news, be they go get more reports, be they go gather more intel for you my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.